Today I'll be guiding you on how to download the WinRAR application. Firstly, you need to go on your web browser and type WinRAR. The official website will be available, which is win-rar.com. Click on that link and you'll reach the website. Once you are there, click on the download button at the bottom. The latest version for the Windows will be available at the top. If not, you can simply select the platform, which is in this case Windows, and language, which is English. Now you can click on the download. You can click on it to download the WinRAR installer. I recommend downloading the 64-bit application for better performance. Now we have the WinRAR installer on our computer. We just need to go ahead and install the application. Installer. You will need the system permissions. Click yes to them. Now we can go ahead and choose the destination file. In this case, I will leave it as default. Click on install. The WinRAR is now successfully installed. You just need to configure it. You can select all the files you want to associate WinRAR with. I'll go with the default selections. You can also select whether you want to add a WinRAR desktop shortcut or a WinRAR start menu shortcut. In this case, I don't want both, so I'll just leave it. I'll click on OK and then click on Done. Now we have got the WinRAR fully installed to our computer. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how it works. So if you want to compress a file, in this case, I'm going to use this image. Right click on it and now you can see that the WinRAR option is also available. Hover over it and then you can access all the WinRAR options. In this case, I'm going to click on the Add to Archive. It will ask me format settings. I'll go with default ones. Now we have the WinRAR signature file compressed. If you double tap on it, you can see the options and you can see that it is compressed. Now, in order to decompress or extract this compressed file, I'll again right click on it. And now you can also again access the WinRAR extraction options. In this case, I'll select the extract here option. Now, since I have the original extracted file with the same name here, it is asking me to either rename or select yes to the replace option. I'll select yes to the replace option. So now I have both the decompressed and compressed file. Thank you for watching. That's it. If you have any questions, you can ask below and I'll make sure to reply as soon as I can.